What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to verify your Bybit account. So make sure to stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. We're logged in on our newly created Bybit account, and usually this is one of the first things you need to do in order to use your Bybit successfully. Whether it's on your mobile device or on your PC like this, you will have the notification to get verified now. We have the button verify now at the top of the screen. And we also have get verified now. Now, before you get verified, you need to prepare some documents. You need to prepare your ID photos, preferably a government issue ID for authentication. And then you also need to have a liveness check. In order to do this, your device needs to have a camera which will show your face in order to get your liveness check successfully. So if you're on your PC or on your mobile, you can click on any button that has to do with verification, such as Get Verified Now or Verify Now. We're going to click on Verify Now. So just to give you a feel of how it looks, you will be taken to a page where you're going to see the roadmap to verification. You need to provide a proof of identity, which is your government issue ID, an identity assessment, which could also be known as the liveness check. On this stage, you will need to verify your identity by taking a photo which will be corresponding with your proof of identity. After that's done, you will need to provide a proof of address. And when that's done, you will receive an email confirming that your verification has been completed. So these are the steps to follow if you would like to verify your Bybit account. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.